Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Honor Magic V2, a foldable phone that's been creating quite a buzz lately. I've been using this phone as my daily driver for a few weeks now, and I have a lot to share with you. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about the display. The Honor Magic V2 features a remarkably thin display that's not only stunning to look at, but also incredibly practical. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is spot on, and the overall viewing experience is just fantastic. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or playing games, this screen does not disappoint. Another thing I absolutely love about this phone is its slim profile. For a foldable device, the Magic V2 is impressively thin and lightweight. It's easy to carry around, and it doesn't feel bulky in your pocket or hand. This is a huge plus for anyone who's always on the go. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Honor Magic V2 comes with an amazing battery that lasts all day with moderate to heavy use. Whether I'm working, streaming content, or just browsing the web, I never find myself scrambling for a charger halfway through the day. It's reliable and keeps up with my busy lifestyle. One of the standout features of the Honor Magic V2 is its hinge mechanism. It's smooth, sturdy, and gives you confidence in the phone's build quality. The hinge allows for a seamless transition between the folded and unfolded states, making it incredibly versatile. Having two amazing screens to work with is another highlight. The outer display is perfect for quick tasks and notifications, while the inner display provides a tablet-like experience that's great for multitasking. Whether you're editing documents, watching videos, or playing games, the dual screen setup enhances productivity and entertainment. However, no device is perfect, and the Honor Magic V2 does have a few downsides. One issue I've noticed is that sometimes the software can be a bit buggy. There are occasional glitches and performance hiccups that can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. But apart from that, I have to say, the Honor Magic V2 is an amazing daily driver. It combines sleek design, impressive battery life, and versatile displays into one package. If you're in the market for a foldable phone, this one is definitely worth considering. So that's my take on the Honor Magic V2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.